Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Docs. This gives you cloud autosave and collaboration. Once done, click blank or pick a template to match purpose and rename the document so versioning stays clear. Make sure to set initial sharing permissions to private, link, or specific people so you control access. You're doing this now to avoid accidental edits later. It also sets the baseline for comments, suggestions, and version history you'll rely on next. You'll structure content using heading styles and normal text so the outline and navigation work automatically. This helps when you generate a table of contents. Once your draft exists, add comments or suggesting edits and tag collaborators with that to notify them directly. This preserves the original while capturing feedback. Make use of Explore for research, voice typing when you're faster speaking, and targeted add-ons for citations or diagrams. These tools accelerate quality and keep the document editable for everyone involved. You finalize by cleaning up comments, accepting suggestions, and using version history to name the final version so you can revert if needed. This ensures an auditable trail. Then export the file as PDF or docx or publish to the web for wide access. Each option preserves formatting differently, so pick based on recipients. If syncing or permission errors occur, check your internet, confirm you're signed into the right account, and reload. If problems persist, clear cache or try an incognito window to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.